afternoon is not only a celebration of growth, it's a celebration of everything that you've done and everything that you're going to do for the rest of the year.
Congratulations muna to every one of you here. Do you know that sa stats ng USANA, the hardest quarter to grow is always the fourth quarter. And kayo yon.
Go for growth!
You were the people who decided to show up when it is a lot easier to quit and who decided to push forward when others hesitated.
Hindi lang tayo dito basta nag-e-event, mag-yacht party, but we know somewhere along the journey, ang hirap ng pinagdaanan nyo. So congratulations!
Sometimes, no, like, we have that personal leadership sa atin na, kumbaga, as a leader, no, our people will follow us when they see our commitment. Lalong-lalo na, pag sinabi natin, i-hit natin yung target na yan, then we will hit it.
Ang pinaka-strength ng isang USANA ng corporate, lalo yung nakilala ko sila ever since, is pag nag-i-event sila talaga, all out ang bigay nila talaga. So yung experience na yun yung gusto ko ma-experience ng mga bago, na every time na may sila na-shoot, nakikita nila kung gaano kalaki yung bigger picture na pwedeng ibigay ng USANA.
The first is always the hardest. Sa umpisa talaga, pagka i-goal mo, yung first and second quarter, parang kala mo napakalayo. Diba? Ang hirap, pero pagdating sa third and fourth quarter, shoot na yung goal.
Hindi kayo naka-anchor or yung purpose nyo naka-anchor sa incentive trip. Sabi nga, accelerator lang dapat or motivators lang dapat yung mga incentive trip, but you're actually working towards ano ba yung why ninyo? What is actually your why here in USANA?
Now, what motivates you and what drives you to keep moving in the business? It is very important. Kaya nga binilis-bilisan ko kasi if one day na-build mo ng tamang-tama yung organization natin, ang ibig sabihin dyan, you created a legacy.
Bakit daw ba nagiging successful yung iba? Because they do not anchor their wins sa immediate results or yung mga small wins lang. They anchor their goals to a bigger purpose. Maybe we have to revisit why we are doing this business rather than us every time na lang we are anchored to our small wins.
DMX Rising Star!
When your thinking is only to qualify, hindi siya magiging sustainable. Yung stability ng USANA lies on your why. Yung why ninyo, again, pag naka-anchor siya sa mas malaki na purpose ninyo dito sa USANA, mas magiging sustainable and stable tayo.